The future of robotics is here, and let me tell you, it's got all the drama and competition you'd expect from a blockbuster movie. Imagine humanoid robots dancing in perfect sync, high-tech AI breakthroughs, and Elon Musk throwing some shade at a robot hand rival. If this sounds like a futuristic tech battle to you, you're absolutely right. From China's Spring Festival Gala to Tesla's Optimus, the race for the most advanced humanoid robot is on, and it's heating up faster than ever. But hold on to your hats, because this isn't your typical robot uprising. No, it's more like a friendly competition between robotics giants. Let's break down this thrilling, action-packed race for the future of robotics. China's robo-dancers, when humanoids take the stage. Let's start with a performance that truly rocked the world of robotics. The Spring Festival Gala in China, where a group of 16 humanoid robots took center stage. These robots, known as H1 units from the Chinese company Unitree, didn't just stand there, they danced. And not just any dance. We're talking about the traditional Yanggong Ko dance, performed alongside 16 human dancers. Now, if you're imagining clunky, stiff robots struggling to stay upright like the Tin Man, think again. These bots were flipping handkerchiefs, catching them mid-air, and maintaining flawless balance throughout the entire routine. I mean, come on, if you've ever seen a robot trip over its own feet, you know that balancing while doing a dance move should be the ultimate challenge. But these H1 robots didn't just dance, they defied physics. And get this, they trained for 3 months using a laser-based system to map out their surroundings. This allowed them to handle uneven floors and quickly adapt to shifting dance formations, something that even some of the most advanced robots still struggle with. But the star of the show wasn't just their impressive moves. These humanoids were standing tall at 1.8 meters, around 5 feet 11 inches, and weighing 47 kilograms, 104 pounds. And they could perform these feats without any hint of wobbly legs. In fact, these H1 robots made such an impact that they were showcased at NVIDIA's GTC conference in 2024, solidifying China's position as a powerhouse in the AI and robotics race. But it's not just the robots that are stealing the show. China's growing emphasis on AI development is catching the attention of the world. Whether you're looking at AI breakthroughs in China or the intense competition surrounding humanoid robots, it's clear that the future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. The battle for the ultimate robot hand, Tesla versus clone robotics. Now, if you thought the dance-off was impressive, wait until you hear about the robotic hand showdown happening right now between Elon Musk's Tesla and a new contender, Clone Robotics. Tesla's Optimus robot has made headlines for its advanced motor-based design, which has been hailed as a potential game-changer in the world of robotics. But here's where things get interesting. Clone Robotics, not to be outdone, decided to throw in a twist by developing a muscle-powered robot hand that's lighter, stronger, and even softer, yes, you heard that right, than Tesla's mechanical hand. So, which one wins? Well, let's take a look. Tesla's hand uses traditional motors and metal parts to simulate human movements. While impressive, it's heavy and requires lots of maintenance. On the other hand, Clone Robotics uses artificial muscles, making their hand both lighter and more flexible. And if you're into a bit of humor, they've even claimed that their hand is soft enough to give you a comfy massage. Now that's a twist no one saw coming. Tesla, of course, isn't backing down. Elon Musk has made it clear that his team is working on fine-tuning Optimus's hand. And with Tesla's deep pockets and top-tier engineering, they've got a strong chance of pulling ahead. But for now, the rivalry is fierce, and it's anyone's game to win. Figure A. I's bold move, ditching open AI for in-house AI development. While Tesla and Clone Robotics were busy squaring off in the robot hand showdown, another bombshell dropped. Figure AI, a robotics startup making waves in the humanoid world, just ditched its partnership with OpenAI. You might be thinking, wait, wasn't OpenAI supposed to help develop their robots' AI? Yep, but Figure AI has big plans to go in a different direction. Instead of relying on OpenAI's technology, the company's CEO, Brett Adcock, recently announced that they had made a major breakthrough in their AI development and wanted to build their own in-house AI. So, why is this such a big deal? Well, Adcock explained that running a humanoid robot in real time requires a very specific type of embodied AI. According to him, outsourcing this to another company, no matter how skilled, just wasn't going to cut it. Instead, Figure AI is going all in on developing their own AI from scratch, a move that could revolutionize how humanoid robots operate. Interestingly, OpenAI isn't backing down either. They've recently invested in another humanoid startup in Norway, called 1X, and have filed a trademark application related to humanoid robots that can learn, communicate, and even entertain. So, while Figure AI is setting the stage for a new era of in-house AI, OpenAI seems determined to stay in the game. NVIDIA's human-like athletes, teaching robots to dance, shoot hoops, and kick it like Ronaldo. In yet another twist, NVIDIA, the tech giant known for its cutting-edge AI, has teamed up with Carnegie Mellon University to create a new humanoid training framework called ASAP, aligning simulation and real-world physics for learning agile humanoid whole-body skills. Sounds like a mouthful, right? But basically, it's a way to teach robots how to move like professional athletes. Yep, you heard me. Robots are now learning how to do soccer tricks like Cristiano Ronaldo and basketball moves like LeBron James. In fact, they've even got robots learning K-pop dance moves. But how do you teach a robot to move like a human athlete? Simple. You feed the AI thousands of videos of real athletes capturing their movements in 3D. Then, through something called reinforcement learning, the robots practice those moves in a virtual simulation. The result? Robots that can perform backflips, slam dunks, and even break out a sick dance routine, all while mimicking human agility. However, there's a catch. In theory, robots can excel in simulations, but when they hit the real world, things get tricky. The real 2. Sim 2 real gap is a real challenge. Robots often fail when tested outside of the virtual world, because factors like motor heat and mechanical stress wreak havoc on their performance. To combat this, NVIDIA's ASAP framework adjusts real-world actions to match the simulation, making the robot's movements smoother and more lifelike over time. This means we're getting closer to humanoids that can not only think like us, but move like us too. The future of humanoid robotics. Where are we headed? So, what's next for humanoid robots? The race is certainly on, with companies like Unray, Tesla, Figure AI, Clone Robotics, NVIDIA, and others pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And while we may not be seeing humanoid robots doing our laundry or running errands just yet, the possibilities are endless. From dancing robots to artificial muscles, AI-driven in-house systems, and robots that can imitate elite athletes, the future of robotics looks both promising and downright fun. But as with any competition, only time will tell who will come out on top. Whether it's Tesla's motor-based robots or Figure AI's muscle-powered marvels, one thing is for sure. The future of humanoid robots is not just about function, it's about flair, style, and a whole lot of tech innovation. And that's a wrap on the ultimate humanoid robot showdown. If you love this robotic drama, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It helps our robots learn, kind of. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more epic tech battles. Drop a comment below, and let's chat about which robot you think will win. Until next time, stay curious, stay human, and keep your bots in check.